Can't install Snapchat from the Google Play Store? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to fix the problem. So, let's get started. First, completely close the Google Play Store. To do that, open your recent apps and swipe the Play Store away to close it. Now, reopen the Google Play Store. Tap on search icon at the bottom and search for Snapchat again, and try installing the app. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next method. Open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Apps. Then, tap Manage Apps and search for Google Play Store. Once you find it, open it and then tap on Storage. Now, tap Clear Cache. Once the cache has been cleared, restart your phone. After your phone turns back on, open the Google Play Store, tap on search icon at the bottom of the screen, and search for Snapchat, and try installing it again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.